Hello and welcome to this video. So today we are going to talk about what is HTML, what is elements in HTML, and what is comments. We're also going to look at how you're going to write some of this code, and beside that we're also going to talk about some acronyms. So let's get right into it. So what is HTML5? HTML5 stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the latest version of it is, as you guessed probably by the number, is version 5. So a hypertext markup language is the possibility to render certain items in your browser. So that means that's what you see, and that could, for example, be a link, image, video, heading, and so on. So that's what hypertext markup language is. It is the possibility to show someone what you have created in this file, which could be an image, links, and so on. And then you have the possibility to style it with CSS if you want to. So in HTML5 and other of them, we have something called an element. It has been around all the time on the internet, and this is what allows you to write content, include pictures, include videos, include a large amount of text, small amount of text, and so on. And this is contained with an opening and a closing tag. So as you can see here, we have an opening tag, which is where you write what sort of tag it should be. Is it a paragraph tag, which is just normal text, or is it an image tag which doesn't have a closing tag, which you will learn about later in this course, or is it a video tag? You can go on with this flavor. And then you have some text inside of here. So that is what elements and tags is in HTML5. It is one of the most important part of HTML because it allows you to structure your code. So a comment in HTML5 is the ability to write some comment that will get more structure and overview over your code. So that could, for example, be, let's say you have 500 lines of in your file, and then you will have some structure over it. So you can use a comment, and a comment is looking like this, and then you can say this is the navigation bar, the menu bar, you can say, and this is the where all the text content will be, this is where the image is, and so on. You can structure it in your own way, and companies will have different guidelines on how to use them. And comments is not only used in HTML, it is also used in other programming language. And to be clear, HTML5 is not a programming language, but comments is still used in HTML5, and programming language uses as well.